Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to do this really simple and cute fluffy braid out. So I'm starting off by just showing you how I section my hair. I didn't use any combs, just my fingers, since the parts aren't going to be visible, so it doesn't really matter if the parts are crooked. Then I just made smaller sections from this section and added some water and Eco Styler gel. These are the two main things that I'll be using for this style. So I just rub them into my hair, into each section, then proceed to do the braids. I added regular 3-stranded reverse braids. This is just like regular braids, it's just in the opposite direction. So instead of going forward, you would just go backwards instead. If you don't know how to do it, then here's a closer look and hopefully you'll be able to get the hang of it. So for the front of my hair, I'm going to be using a tail comb to just do a side part because this is the only visible part that will be in my hair, so I wanted to make sure it's a little bit neater. Then I just continued sectioning my hair and braiding it. After I was done braiding, I ended up with 10 braids overall. Then I just used some shea butter for moisture. Then that's basically it. So now it's 2 days later and it's time to take down my braids. Before taking my braids down, I just used some more shea butter just to add some moisture that my hair might have lost over the past 2 days, and then I used some olive oil just to reduce any frizz. Then I carefully take down my braids. After I'm done, then you can see that my hair is really flat and it needs some more volume. So I just started to pull out my hair where it naturally separates just to give it a little more volume. So for even more volume, I decided to use my hair pick to pick at the roots, and I also flipped over my head while picking at the root because this gives even better results. So that's something you should do. So here you can really see a difference in volume. My hair is looking much bigger. So finally I just used a little more of the Eco Styler gel and a brush to smooth my edges down, and that's basically it. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all social media. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye!